Ah, c'est jamais trop. Dans le lot, c'est comme ça. Si chaque détail compte, faut que ça brille, faut que ça pète.
Come on. Look, we in Cabo for the weekend. You should bring your crew. Don't worry about the flights, should we book those too? She like niggas with loot, so young Webby she gon' pursue. Got her 3,000 miles in the ocean, popping that boo. What you tryna do? The way them hips and thighs looking at Jimmy Choo. Got me looking at you, Dime mixed with Azul. I need my shot straight, got her bouncing ass on the boss, so she a boss babe. I taught her them boss ways, I show them this life. You can bring out all your bags and just props for your lights. It's on us every night, you ain't gotta bring them purses out. Yeah, baby, this real life, we don't work for clout. Later on, I'll probably show you what this work about. The balcony, Don P, we gon' need fresh sheets. You know they wanna drink and get massaged on the beach. But we not tripping, it's whatever you need, cause we in Cabo for the weekend.
What more do you need? Come and roll with me,
Welcome to the black party, black party, black party, black party. We don't bring no guns. What? We just bring the fun. That's right, that's right, that's right. You know what I'm saying? We got grandmas, aunties, and little kids out here, man. Take that shit up the street, bro. I got you, I got you. 1, 2, 3 into the 4. Left lane, LB, Lex bubble at the door. Chris Skillz, T Money playing space domino. Mac Millie hit the liquor store. What time they close? Cousin Brooks fresh home off an 8-year stint. Getting bent, little cousins running around with their friends. We all kin. I love to see the kids at play. Remind me of my childhood ways back in the days. At the cookouts and block parties. Aunt Mary fried the oysters. Aunt Didi cutting up. Probably Aunt Paula got the wine in the brew. The nice move, play the SOS band. We all start the groove. They talk about them Del State days in 84 was the summer. Think about it, I wasn't born on the plots. They said they had the time of their life. I hate to think them days behind. I stay on the grind, self-educated, true to my craft and dedicated. Niggas couldn't have been fell off. Instead we made, instead we made, instead we made, instead we made, instead we made. Niggas could have been fell off. Instead we made it.
I think about the day when nothing ever came my way.
Nothing.
Well,
Yeah. Hey yo, peace, Monty, Lefty, everybody. Y'all niggas know I got this spins on live. 302 shit, bucks. Yo.
va sûrement être vers feu vert, machin. Toi, du coup, tu fais quoi, toi, aujourd'hui? Tu restes chill? Ah, bah, tu vois, comme ça, tu peux te poser chez toi tranquille, quoi.
Ouais, du coup, je vais à la maison, je vais me poser un peu.
Vas-y. Il y a Mika et Nena qui sont là.
Rolling through the wood, what's happening? Sunset, smoked out, might hit that traffic on. Palm trees burn to ashes, down one 110 South, might hear them blasting like East Los Calabasas to South Central, might hit that traffic on Westside. Love, what's happening? Palm trees, no seeds, rolled up, no passing light. Rolling through the wood, what's happening? Sunset, smoked out, might hit that traffic on palm trees, burn the ashes down 110 South, might hear them blasting like East Los Calabasas to South Central, might hit that traffic on Westside. Love, what's happening? Palm trees, no seeds, rolled up, no passing light.
Bitch, I'm blowing through the bag. I remember I was broke, now I'm pushing the jag. I know where I'm heading, I'm just doing the dash. Not to mention that I'm drinking in, smoking that gas. Still in the trap house, wrapping up grounds. I'm a nigga where I'm from, don't ask around. Driving down the 110, blasting my sounds. Looking in the rear view, watching for clowns. Exit 51st, that's my part of town. Where shit could be cool and shit could go down. Welcome to the west side. You think you see the best, well I'ma show you what the best like. Try. You think you see the best, but I'ma show you what the best like. Don't worry about nothing.
Rolling through the wood, what's happening? Sunset, smoked out, might hit that traffic on palm trees, burn the ashes down 110 South, might hear them blasting like East Los Calabasas to South Central, might hit that.